So welcome back to the channel. Right now I am in sector 46 and will be covering a beautiful piece of property for you guys in this location. This is a 270 square yards, 3 bedroom, park facing corner unit which you guys might be looking for in Gurgaon market. Very well work has been done. Location is very top notch of this property. You guys are very near to the Huda City Centre metro station, and then market are very nearby. Everything is in just close proximity in 1 kilometer. So this is how the unit, you can see there's a park just in front of the property, and then this is the corner one. So you will be getting ample ventilation. Cross ventilation will not be a challenge, and rooms are super airy. Builder work is very done. So without wasting any time, we'll be entering inside the unit. Builder work is very nice. 270 square yards, 3 bedroom, corner park facing unit. You guys will be looking at. So now I have come inside in this beautiful layout of this property. Right now I am standing in the living dining area. You are getting a very decent layout which is covering everything which you require while you are living as a resident in this area. You are getting ample windows all across the area, and then you are getting the TV cabinets on the right side. I'll explain the layout. This is a 270 square yards plot size. You are getting 3 bedroom in this unit, and then as it's a corner property, so parking will not be a challenge. You are getting 4 gates for each and every resident of the floor for their separate entry and exit of their car park. This is the layout, and then I'll be explaining you a little bit about it, where what is, so you won't be having difficulty in figuring out about the layout. So this is where we enter from. While we are talking about the direction, this is the main door. While we are taking an exit, we are facing south, and this is where the plot facing is. So that's the east direction is over there. This is the kitchen area, and then you have the first bedroom right across this room. You're getting walk-in closet in each and every bedroom with attached restroom. Also, each and every bedroom has an attached balcony to it. So this was the first bedroom. Living dining spaces like this. You're getting some storage area, some cupboards right over there. And then there is the powder room right over here. And 2 of the bedrooms are right across to me, towards my right and left side. As I've told, all the bedrooms have attached restroom, balcony, and the walk-in closet with it. Before talking deep about the layout, I'll be mentioning the builder profile over here is very nice, and you are getting a very well done work with this unit. And now we'll be talking about the entrance and everything which you will be looking at. So this is the main entrance door. This is how the main entrance door looks. You are getting a multi-purpose lock which is accessible with fingerprints, locks, access key card, and the keys. And this is the main entrance from where you're getting. अभी finishing का काम यहाँ पे pending है, so work is still under process. So we'll just close it and we'll be entering inside. Directions I have already mentioned, and this is how we're entering inside the layout. That's the dining space you're getting, and then you're getting a lot room, and then you're getting a huge room for your living dining space all across the area. Starting from the kitchen, we'll be entering inside the kitchen. This is the curved shape entrance you're getting all across the area, and then this is how the kitchen looks. You're getting a U-shaped area where you have a decent size of to keep the refrigerator, and then you're getting pre-fitted OTG and the ovens. Then there is extra space for your storage and whatever you would like to keep inside the kitchen, and then some more extra storage right over here on both the panels, and then you have given some provision for the geysers, and there is storage on the upper cabinets. Double sink has been provided, and then you are getting the quartz marble has been used all across the area. Some profile lighting has been given just to make it look more nicer, and then you are getting some more storage area just like this, and then that's giving some good nice space. Elica's brands has been used in the hob and the chimney, again storage, and this is how the kitchen looks. This is where the balcony is. कॉर्नर प्रॉपर्टी है, तो आपको वेंटिलेशन की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. पार्क फेसिंग पार्क आपके सामने दिखता है. फ्रंट साइड से आपको सन मिलता है, सो पूरी आपको धूप की कोई कमी नहीं रहती है यहाँ पे. एंड देन दिस इज हाउ द बालकनी लुक्स. Outer facade work has been done. Marble has been used all on these rails, and we'll shut this door. So this is how we have entered inside the balcony, and then you're getting all wooden profiles all across the area. Anti-skid tiles has been used you're getting textured walls all across the balcony area, and then this is how we'll be entering inside the first bedroom of the place. The work, the wall moldings, everything has been done very nicely and very perfectly. This is how the first bedroom looks. Everything has been in a theme of these curved shapes, so which is looking a very unique appeal to this floor. And also mesh has been provided. The mosquitoes, बाहर की आवाज बहुत है तो I'll just shut the doors. So this is how the area looks. This is the first bedroom. You have the walk-in room, and this is how the cupboards and woodwork has been done. Obviously अभी यहाँ पे finishing होगी तो आपको और भी अच्छा दिखेगा. And then this is the attached restroom to it. Restroom space is very nice, and then this is the shower area. Jaguar fittings कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. And then you are getting some drawers like these with some good work has been done. You can have a look again, and then we'll be covering the other place. So this is how the first bedroom looks. वापस आ रहे हैं बाहर लेआउट की तरफ में. लेफ्ट साइड पे किचन है. प्रोफाइल लाइटिंग अगेन आपको हर जगह हाइलाइट्स मिले हुए हैं. And then you can have a look of the ceiling. You can just go back and have a look at the ceiling कि कैसा view आ रहा है आपको front side से. And this is how it will be looking. Windows has been given all across the area. Also mesh has been provided. And then there is another window right over here. This was the living dining area. That's the TV cabinet space. Good color combination has been used. Unique, nice, appealing towards the eyes. And then a beautiful powder room is just across the place, and you guys can go and have a look how the place looks. Some extra storage has been given in this area right over here, and then like this, and good work has been done all across. Decent. Personally, I have liked this place the powder room very much. And before entering inside, this is a small foyer area which you are getting before entering into the bedrooms, and which will be kept empty mostly. So you have ample room of moving in and around the area. This is the beautiful cupboards that have been designed to keep up the stuff and for the storage of all across the household. Tinted glass has been used. Rose gold color handles has been used like this. Profiles has been given, and then you have some more storage right like this. कुछ सामान यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है अभी construction का ही like this you have, and then profile has been given all across the place. Again nice clean color has been used all across the area, and then some beautiful POP work has been done on the ceiling, which takes good amount of work to be done and looks very nice and on the completion. So this was the whole small foyer area. Entering inside the first bedroom, this is how you are entering inside, and then this is the second bedroom, and then this is the vibe you are getting from this area. You have the cupboards right over here, and then attached restroom given, POP molding all across the walls. In this particular unit, I have seen the POP molding has been done all across the place. So walls आपको यहाँ पे empty नहीं मिल रहे हैं, and कुछ ना कुछ आपको काम यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. Also आप यहाँ पे कुछ चीजें और wallpapers and whatever you guys would like, you can add upon this floor to give a nice vibe, to add more vibe to this unit. And we'll be checking out balcony later. And this is how the cupboard look. Profile lighting has been given, but अभी functional नहीं है due to some reason, क्योंकि अभी काम finish नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पे. And then again you have more storage like this, and you have the restroom like this. And this is how we are entering inside the back side of the balcony of this property. एंड देन कॉर्नर है तो आपको एडवांटेज मिल जाता है ट्रीज का. ये जो आप पाइप देखें ये कवर्ड हो जाएंगे तो ऐसे नहीं रहने वाले हैं. एंड देन यू आर गेटिंग आयरन ग्रिल, मार्बल हैज बीन यूज्ड, वेट पॉइंट इज देयर, एंड देन दैट्स द विंडो आउटलेट फ्रॉम द बाथरूम. एंड देन वी आर कमिंग इनसाइड द थर्ड बेडरूम ऑफ दिस यूनिट, एंड दिस इज हाउ द थर्ड बेडरूम लुक्स. वेरी नाइस, एंड अगेन wall work has been done with the POP. So ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पर काम करा हुआ है and this is all I have explained. TV cabinet आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है and then wardrobes हैं यहाँ पे. Just is just looking very nice and drawers भी हैं यहाँ पे कुछ. And then we just shut it up. So wardrobes has been divided for his and hers. There is a mirror given in the middle and then ample storage. Having a look at the bathroom of this place. This is how the bathroom looks. You guys can enter inside and have a look how it has been covered up. So this is how we are coming out from this bedroom and we are coming back inside the layout of the living dining area, and this was the property tour of this video also. So all the units in this particular area in this particular building are available, including the off-grid terrace. So I hope you have enjoyed this small property tour of this floor. If you're looking out for same kind of properties, do check out our channel for some more videos. Thank you so much for being till here. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
पूरा ऊपर तक जाएगा।
अच्छा, ये तो मैंने पहली बार गाड़ी की डिक्की खोली है। And then you have some more storage, right? ठीक है।